Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be unboxing the FlexiSpot OC6 ergonomic chair. All right, let's get to it. All right, everyone. So if you watched my last video when I talked about my current desk setup, I said that a chair upgrade was much needed. So I went and looked on Amazon, went and looked at a lot of different chairs from Steelcase, Ergonoffice, a lot of different companies, and I looked at any other chair, Sihu. I looked at a lot of different chairs that was actually on Amazon and actually on a lot of different websites. And I settled on this chair, which was the FlexiSpot OC6. And this is the classic Pro Max version. All right, so this is the one that holds up to 500 pounds, the most sturdy, the most stable version that they have. And I got it for a little under 300 bucks. I think they had a coupon, they had a sale going on for Labor Day, and it was around like $279. So I was like, okay, this is a great deal. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this chair up. All right, so I scooped it up off Amazon. It came in like 3 days, super fast shipping. The box that it came in was around 40 pounds. So if you're not a very strong individual, or if you're just someone that may need some help, definitely get some help carrying it to wherever you got to go. 40 pounds isn't a really lot, but it is an awkward box. So just want to make sure you have help if you need it. So when the box came in, I was like, oh yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, put together, so we can go ahead and get it installed for you guys, and I can give you guys a review. All right, because as you guys saw my last chair, it was about time to really upgrade my chair setup. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And then let's see how this process is gonna go. All right, let's get it. All right, everyone, so this is the box that it came in. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing. So unbox it there. All right, now that I got everything out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and lay everything out, take everything, all the plastic off of everything, and then I'll be right back with you guys. All right, everyone, so this is everything laid out here. Oh, except for the headrest. Headrest is still over here. So this is everything laid out. Everything, first impressions, feel very high quality. The plastic feels sturdy. The back feels sturdy. Everything looks to be pretty good quality, just first look, first glance, just touching everything. So definitely looks like they didn't cheap out on any of the materials. This is kind of like, I would call it like a mid-level chair, so I would hope that they didn't, and it doesn't look like they did. Everything seems to be built pretty good quality here. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the installation process. I'm gonna be kind of just going over anything that sticks out and kind of explaining all that to you guys here. So just wanted to kind of show you this laid out. So now let's go ahead and get to the install. All right, everyone, so I like to follow instructions. So I looked at an instruction manual, and it says the first thing to do is to install the arms to the back of the seat cushion. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got our seat cushion here. And the one thing good about this chair is that they do provide you with everything you need to get this install done. I do have my own tools, so I'll probably use those because they usually are better for me. But yeah, so we got right and left. So this is the front. So they do have an indication here, letting you know that this is the front of the seat. So you do want to put your right and left on. So they do have markings on the actual armrest on which one is right and which one is left. So you got that there. So this is the front. So the right is going to go on this side and left is going to go on that side. So this is the right arm. So this is going to go over here. And then you're going to have 6 of these screws right here that you're going to screw into the back of the seat to hold the armrest together. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, everyone. So the bottom of the seat is finally installed. I got the arms in. Everything was pretty simple. Just make sure you have the right on the right and the left on the left. Otherwise, you will have install issues. And ask me how I know, because I had install issues, and then I looked at it again, and I had the right on the left and the left on the right. So don't make the mistakes I made. But here we go. Arms are in. Now on to the next step, which is going to be installing the mechanism underneath the seat cushion. So let's go. So we have the bottom of the seat right here. And based on the instructions, it kind of just slides in, and then there's 4 screws that kind of go in to put it into place. So I'm wondering if you could have put that in first, but maybe, oh no, you don't want to put that in first because it's going to have that piece that sticks out for your adjustable, and it's going to cover one of these holes that you need. So that's why you put the arms in first and then the mechanism at the bottom second. So that makes sense. So let's see here. This is the front, which is facing down, and looks like the mechanism arm is over the right side. So this is the right, so it should go like this. And then this is your adjustable piece right here. So that should go towards the front. So if you do need to adjust the tension, you can with that. So that makes sense. So it looks like this is just gonna slide right into there. And boom, yeah, this should go right there. And then you'll put your screws in, and there's 4 of them. You should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get that done. That is in place, good to go. Now we're off to the next step. So it looks like we want to put the cover on. So insert the seat mechanism cover, which is going to be this. So that seems to go something like this. All right. The cover, cover kind of goes right there, and there's these little holes that the little cover latches go into, so they kind of just slide into like that. So there's a hole on this side, hole on that side, and then also on the back end. So that's kind of what you put those little cover arms into to hold it into place. Yep. So that's on those. Yep, and it holds it into place. Cool. So you have 4. So you have 2 back here, 2 up front, and that kind of holds the cover in place. You're good to go. Now the next part that we're going to do is actually putting in the backrest. So you'll need, there's 3 of these bigger screws that go into the backrest. You'll need a crush washer and then also the regular washer for this section. So what you want to do to kind of prep, what you got to do is put the crush washer on first and then your regular washer, and that's going to help you get set up there. All right, so we got the seat back right there. These legs, so it just kind of slides back into there. Okay, pretty simple. And then yeah, you just want to kind of line it up there. Put these in, get them lined up, start the process. It's almost like, yeah, you gotta almost hold this back just to make sure, because you want to make sure you screw it in the right angle. Don't want to strip it. All right, got that in. Feels pretty good. Feels secure. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. And you want to make sure your crush washers are actually crushed. And they actually give you a diagram back here to kind of show you what it should look like. And all of them look like that. So we are tight and secure. So the back is on. Alrighty, so next we're gonna put the wheels into the bottom of the base. So you just kind of want to push in, and you're good to go. Sometimes you gotta kind of secure it. Boom. Now we have a base on. So now it looks like we need to remove this cover to the bottom of the base. This is kind of the chair body arm. So you can do your adjustments. So this is going to go down into here. All right. So this actually is going to go up here into that. So it looks like, yeah, it just slides in. Nothing too crazy. And then we're going to lift the chair on top of that. Boom. We're almost there. Spins pretty nice. We're almost there. Next, we're gonna do the headrest, and I think we're done. So let's do that. All right, so for the headrest portion right here, you're gonna have these 2 screws that are provided right here. You wanna go ahead and install them, but you wanna make them loose. You don't wanna put them in here too tight. So probably finger tighten is probably the best way for you to do this, hopefully. So it just kind of goes to the back of here. I know it's a little tough for you guys to see that, but I'll bring it in probably about right there. You can see the 2 screws right there. All right, so you want to do that first. Now on the headrest, we have this piece right here that you guys can see, and you want to spin that up out of the way. You're gonna kind of slide in there and then tighten down on that. So you can kind of see they have grooves already right here that you can tighten it down. So you kind of just want to slide this over what you just did. Slides right into the back right here. And then you'll want to use the provided tool to get in here and tighten this down. And then you should be good to go. And then once you tighten that down, you're good to go. Oh, and then you have to rotate the locking mechanism down to kind of hold it in place. But yeah, so that's what the back of it looks like. Looks really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I think about it. All right, everyone, so I'm sitting in the chair right now, and the chair feels really, really good. It is very supportive for a guy of my stature. Feels pretty good. And then you guys can kind of see the back part right here with the neck rest. I'll slide back a little bit, and you can kind of see the back of the chair right here as I'm kind of sliding around, and I can spin around and I'm good and I am supported. So yeah, man, so you know, you can kind of see right there how it looks. This is the black version. They have a black version, a gray version, and then like a dark gray, I think. And I got the black version just because this black is classic. You know, you're good to go with that. You can't go wrong with black. And then the arm rest here are fully adjustable. They go up and down pretty well. I feel like I can sit pretty well. And you have tons of adjustment as far as moving the seat in and out. And also the back adjustment and the stiffness on that. So all in all, the chair feels good, looks pretty good. And I feel pretty stable. And I feel like it can definitely hold me in it, and I should be comfortable for long hours if I needed to be in this chair for long hours. One other thing I do like is the armrest right here. It does have padding on it. It has a little bit of a foam padding, it feels like, so you won't have to worry about beating up your elbows because, you know, you're sitting there too long and your elbows are all beat up. So the chair overall is comfortable. If I had to do one pet peeve with the chair, it would probably be that I think that, and I'll back up a little bit. I think that for the chair right here, for the arms, I feel like these arms should go a little bit wider. With this chair being marketed for big and tall individuals, I'm probably at like the max for this chair, but as far as width and stuff, but I feel like you should get some adjustability right in these arms to be able to adjust them further, a little bit wider in case you want to sit wider or you just want to be a little bit wider. Maybe that's not the most ergonomic way to sit, but I mean, for bigger individuals, I'm not the largest person in the world, but for bigger individuals, they may want some more width out of the arms. So just to have some adjustability to be able to bring the arms wider out would probably help out, you know, a bigger person. But overall, I mean, like I said, I'm good, man. Like, look at that. Like, I'm good. Like, I feel supported. You know, I don't feel like I'm gonna break the chair, and feels pretty good. Yeah. All right, everyone. So that's gonna be the unboxing, install, and first impressions of the FlexiSpot OC6 chair. All in all, I think it feels good. I like the headrest. It is very breathable fabric, so I definitely should be able to get some airflow and won't be as hot in this chair as I am in my current chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this chair now, and I'll be able to come back maybe in a couple weeks, give you guys my final thoughts on it. But first impressions, I'm pretty happy with it for the price. And for everything that I looked at, this was probably one that checked a lot of the boxes. So I want to give it a shot. So yeah. So if you are interested in getting a chair like this, I will have an Amazon link below in the description where you can go find this chair. I definitely will try to buy it on sale. I think I just looked at the time when we were recording this video and it went back up to $399, which I think is the original MSRP. But like I said, I got it for $279, I think, out the door shipped. So you definitely want to wait till it goes on sale. Maybe we try to buy it around a holiday. Amazon sometimes has a little box you can click and it'll give you like a good percentage off. So the chair was on sale and I got an Amazon like 20% off on it when I bought it. So maybe they had like a lot of them and they were just trying to sell some. I don't know, but I got it for under 300 bucks. I think under 300 bucks, this is a nice chair for that price. So definitely, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I'll definitely follow up on those on my follow-up video in a couple of weeks once I really get to fully utilize this chair. This video was more of a first impressions and just kind of install, all right? So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.